Unicorns are real. And you can eat their poop. I 100% believe that unicorns are real. And you can eat their poop. Because they poop marshmallows. They poop Skittles. They also poop glitter, and they also poop rainbows. Fact. Today, we're gonna make unicorn poop s'more cookies. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some flour. You're gonna need some graham crackers. You're gonna need some baking powder. Some baking soda. Butter, room temperature. Vanilla. Salt. Brown sugar. White sugar. Semi-sweet chocolate morsels. 2 eggs. And a good supplier of unicorn poop. Preheat oven to 325. Take 1 package of graham crackers. There's about 8 to 10 per package, and put them in a Ziploc bag and crush them. Now take about 5 graham crackers and break them up into smaller pieces. So we're gonna break up these 5. We're going for about 1.5 cups. That looks good. Mix together in a large bowl 2 cups of flour, 1 1/4 cup of the finely crushed graham crackers, and then 1.5 cups of the coarsely crushed. Also add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Good. Set this aside. And now with an electric mixer, we're going to mix together our sugar, butter, eggs, and vanilla. So 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of firmly packed light brown sugar. Cream well. There we go. Now, what that is mixed together well, we're going to add 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla. It's about right. I had to get a bigger bowl. And now what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate the dry mixture into the wet, about 1/3 at a time. The mixer is just getting out of hand, so I'm just going to mix this in by hand. This is crazy. It's just going everywhere. Get that good and incorporated. It's really sticky. And incorporated. Okay, let me clear off my hands. And now we're going to mix in about 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate morsels. Go ahead and get in there and have a good time. All right. That looks good. Now I'm going to go ahead and use some butter and grease my pan real quick. And I'm going to set my cookies about 2 inches apart. And we're going to make them, I don't know, tablespoon, walnut sized. The dough is really sticky, so I'm using spoons as opposed to my hands. Okay, now we're going to cook these for about 13 minutes to start. Be right back. Minutes is up. Ooh. Grab those cookies. Now take your beautiful unicorn poop and press them into the top of each cookie quickly while they're hot. And now back into the oven for 2 more minutes. They're ready! You ready? Unicorn poop s'more cookies. And here they are. Here is the graham cracker, chocolate chip, unicorn poop, unicorn s'more cookies.
Yo.
Can you smell them? Mmm. Eat one.
Sweet. So you're gonna give me the whole plate.
Oh yeah, you can take the whole plate. Is it hot?
Squishy marshmallows.
Does it taste like a s'more?
Mm-hmm.
Does it really?
No, it's squishy, marshmallow squishy. So
Oh! Oh! Tastes like a s'more!
mm-hmm.
Oh my god!
Unicorn poop sushi. I like it.
So now, we've proven we made a mess. Now, here's proof that all unicorn poop is edible.
And delicious.
Because we just made cookies out of it.
I feel like my eyesight's getting better too.
Because it's magical.
I think so.
It is magical.
That's it.
So if you find unicorn poop, you should make cookies. Maybe your eyesight will get better too. At least, maybe you will be peaceful and be kind.
It's okay.
The dog is begging. I'll talk to you soon. Stop! I'm recording!
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
Never mind.
I want to get a picture of your butt.
Don't.
You got handprints on it. More handprints.
Oh yeah, you could. Probably. Are they big? Big? Are they big handprints?
That's awesome.